In SOLIDWORKS 2024, you can use the new stamp tool to create sketch-based parametric forming tools to apply to sheet metal parts. You can create a sketch with a few parameters to stamp or form the sheet metal. In earlier releases, you had to define all sketches and features, save the forming tool as a part, SLDFTP, then apply it to sheet metal. Using sketches to create forming tools is a faster way to apply forming tools to sheet metal parts. To use the stamp tool, in a sheet metal part, go to Insert, Sheet Metal, Stamp. Sketch a closed profile sketch on the part for the stamp shape. In the Stamp Property Manager, specify the stamp depth from the top or bottom of the sheet metal face. Reverse direction reverses the direction of the stamp. Draft angle specifies the taper angle to apply to the stamp side faces. For the stamp fillet, die radius, R1, specifies the radius created by the die. Punch radius, R2, specifies the radius created by the punch. Punch side corner radius adds a corner punch radius. And now you've got an easy stamp on your sheet metal part. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more SOLIDWORKS new features and great tips.